As the acting national chairman of the party, I decided to appear in court today to assert my authority as the acting national chairman of the party, and for me to hear from the lawyers how far they've gone. The first thing I experienced this morning was that Mr. Shontokun, who was the Director General of Obi Campaign Group, was sitting on the seat of the Labour Party chairman. I went to him that in what capacity is he sitting on that seat? And as of today, since I'm here, I'm the right person to be on that seat. There was argument at that time, but we were asked to go and take our seats. That when the court starts fully, the proper introduction can be made. When the court session started, there was introduction, and I also stood up to tell the court that I'm representing the party. Because of the two names that accept the candidate as Peter Obi. But immediately after the close of the court, the arranged talks, which I believe Peter Obi is aware of, bounce on me, and Aburi, they bounce on me, remove my cards, they beat me up, and thank God, because if you are not there, I'm very sure I would have been dead, because they denied me to talk there, and they do all sorts of things to prevent me from addressing the press. But here we are again, that because of the love and belief in the rule of law, I'm still addressing you today. And what led to my being there today is what you know before, but for purpose of emphasis. The Aburi and three others have been restrained by this court, by the FCT court in Abuja here. And with all their pleas, the court remains the same. And because of that, I need to take over fully as their pleas. The court remains the same. And because of that, I need to take over fully as the acting national chairman of the party. But surprisingly, what happened today, we only took it lightly. Because my colleagues, they attended meetings with Obi groups and Aburi yesterday, day before yesterday and yesterday. And they boasted that if I should appear in court today, that heirs will roll. But my people took it lightly, that nothing will happen. But thank God we are still alive to see it. But my fear is this. Our principal is in tribunal to claim his mandate through the court of law. And the same person failed to obey the court of law. That's contradiction. And I want the whole world to interpret that behavior. Thank you so much.